welcome. Hannah's late, so we're sitting in the car. The restaurant's right there.
Yes. Oh, and then Zach. Over there. Look at that. Oh shit.
Hello, Hannah's still not out. It's still not here.
Just horrible. You look cute.
Thank you.
Yes. Alice over here. This place is a vibe, a little vibe ski, a little Bobbiana. So there's bullfrog on this menu, and I didn't want to add because I didn't want to seem like I was going to judge. But that definitely caught my eye. Hey, shot o'clock! Shot o'clock! Hey, you know, hey! Cheers! Out for revenge.
Get that shit off.
Take that shit.
Yeah, so you got get to lock on you, and then how we doing? Can't have a Paramore. But I was like, if they want it, like we could do it right here, you know?
Oh, I thought it was open.
Wow.
I tried to get that.
That's wild. That's wild.